long tabe badi ya patu mya wai pali shwe sagai down we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi long tabe badi ya patu mya wai pali shwe sagai down we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi se ri gu chang se a so ni ma twe ni du pang dra gu yi ta ta na yaw thon le lu ti ba da yaw shon win lu ji ti de gu myin kwin chain lin lu ta bi Mama tu jane de tire ko cham do ji buddha takatu ni ati pnya mya wa ga ti abhidhamma taya jana mi vipassana chiti ti ma pa se di nya pa la Thera wada mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kaba talwa cheti buddha yamji desabu macho tiru siara nada shuga pya ayudana seyoni khanya roti tabe badi ya patu mya wai pali shwe sagai down we mai twa yaw lu phu myo ni along tabe badi ya patu mya wai pali shwe sagai down we mai twa yaw lu phu myo ni se gu chang se a so ni ma twe ni lu pang dra gu yi ta ta na yaw thon lu ti ba da yaw shon win lu ji ti de gu mi kwin chain lin lu ta yi Mama tu jane de tire ko cham do ji buddha takatu mi ati pnya mya wa ga ti abhidhamma taya jana mi vipassana cheti ti ma pa se di nya pa la Thera wada mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kaba talwa cheti buddha yamji desabu macho tiru siara tada shuga pya ayudana seyoni khanya roti badi ya patu mya wai pali shwe sagai down we mai twa yaw lu phu myo mi along tabe badi ya patu mya wai pali when tailing low tabi.
Now is near later, huh? Anisha Daba Nekhara Tankudita Laba Turuliwe Nadi Navika Bobbi Bandi Dita What Wota Bandi Biasa Bia Bobbi Shiro Shiro Sura Bia Brady Masan Nibo Eri Kalaru Dunga before the Buddha's Brady Bana did that a Shibian do night. What I want Wama Tala Jara Bangarodi. What I want Wachaja Bangarodi. Tadagadan Dadanaya Payabu Yanlonga Are Sandi Lajare Paya Bibi Mama Paya Wakada. Satoni Ashi Daurida Deniana Boy, Salinia Daurida Chanda Bibi Mama on the ground. In different 13 places Buddha dwell 44 vasa. In every end of a rainy season, after the vasa, wachotai, from different places. Many sangha came to the place where Buddha took vasa. Where Vasure Niya, Wachote Tangaroriya, Yabu Lajari. Ti Mayan Manobhavani Begu Dadanaya Labama Bayiru Badanaya Labama Pandi Bono Jiro Buddha Myaswabhiya Mayan Vido Ruri Manobhavani Era No Manobhavani Vara Fuya and say them Bhavaniya is two bars. Say Are Tella and Kurori Fuya. Daya Manobhavani is sitting logo, Swimpion Chinubwe Congo, Tibig who do Yando Dadanaya Labama Pugwele Yare Bayi Rubadanaya Labama. Yusuf Lujwele, ya. David Dalevina, Wajo in Piabu Treasure. Mijibo Mabaya was already about said don't go shit. Said don't near and I was so zen. That little live, said a year Buddha went there by Shachile, Lingari Neshi. And there you got Pachila and Goyama. Loved her. Meno Dure the Naga and Apyambi Irani Mababa Tepa Guru Bhagavata Isi na Tepa Bada Isi na Bada Bhagavata Isi na Paya Kualambiri na Anabhavani ye Bhikkhu Any Serilo Shwepyo Juruva Kauna Kuroyiri Nadana ya Bhuven Mayanviro Dodi Na Labaidama Yarab Mohu Pidu Badana Lojugan Leve Na Labaidama Yarama Mohu Yabishiro Yadayudha Yaba Mishiva Willow and Johnji, Gizago, Tom Johnji, Audi Huh? Sero Joji me Pua, Wajo, Puyafu, Mishiro. Era Shiana Queen, social Babi, Dadanaya, Biruba Danaya. Any Mama Bayaga. Hey, made Dilo Doya, Pama. Na Mashire down, Digaba Mijibo, Perama Mabiote, Linear ship. I linear Dhapu at the Lovini Garden, where my wash pond. This is unforgettable place. You should go there. Second, the Buddha Gaya, enlightenment place. The Mahabodhi tree. You should go there. And then, Viganaya, where Buddha started the turn of the wheel of the truth. The Majjaga Bodhana Tana. You should go there. And last one, here the Kushinara. Kudina Yumabyoni Rahu. Here the Kushinara. In southwest corner of a Kushinara. Between the two twin Sala tree, my Pranivana place, you should go there. Dayamabyona, Hiyabyona, Dinyamabyora. These four unforgettable places are called Chatu Sanvi Janiya Thana. That's our Papa Nesabyo. Pasiam Road, Bio. The Gogo Park, and the child. Sadari Mani Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, Dada the Niyani, Dawizriyani Tanani. Ananda Shiva Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, the Radia Gaun, the Amu Gaun, the Amu Gaun, the Bondo. Dada Niyani, Mabia, food I go. Dawizriyani. Anesa Dava Denkara Dangudita Labayelo Mawega Diari Godu was in a Gondo Mawizadias, Mawega Pissy Mawega Belupi when I made above Pansa Anesa Dava Denkara Dangudita Labayelo Bamega Diari Godu was in a Tanani Neado the Imanesandani Linu Vedi Bamega Diadu 190 Kudu Diadu 190 Nearia Lay Mu down Shire Navayam Shido, Aini at Papa, Lini at Papa Kadamani Sandari. What are the four great places? 1. Ida dada gadosa dodi ananda dadada kula buddhada dadaniyan thavisaniyan thana. 2. Ida dada gadonudra madhabodimi thamudodi ananda dadada kula buddhada dadaniyan thavisaniyan thana. 3. Ida dada gatina amen. Auda kata pyatare. Anandara dhamaseka bodhi dandi ananda tadada kula buddhada dadaniya thavisaniya thana. And last one. Ida dada gadanu pari vidaya nibbana daduya prini buddhodi ananda tadada kula buddhada dadaniya thavisaniya thana. Uda Bali do pa Thavisaniya Thuda Dali Tobi Kodega Banaga Guru Rega Duru Same Kodega Nigere Ted Thavisaniya Thuda Era li Tobi da Gala Thavisaniya Thusubi do Hora Dada Wire Akandi Mathangana Thada Dinavya Dadu Vivasana Thuda. Era Poyini Jinolo, also lady. Lolo Bido, Ujaya, Jaya lady, Thuda Lolo Bido. Go sound and nigger teta. They come. Ida E Lovini Uyam. Dada Gadasa dog, that's what they are poire. Idi Ido Nalondi Badada Kula Buddha Dharadyashi the Myogama Dadaniya Twapira Buddha de Thavisaniya Thana Kudu Dea Duvare Thana Taku Nadaka Ida Baswam Ida, no? Lovini, sir. The Lovini garden. Ida, Uruvela do. Nirendra Mika, my body be chiyema. Uruvela do, Nirendra Mika, my body be chiyema. Tadagado Yasobia Anodara Ansapas Batuna Tamadamore Tabijuda Nyano Vidambudo. But they trade that again to Dilani. Idibi Ido Lebe Ananda Tadadyashi the Kula Buddha Tamigoma address. Dadaniya Mabya Buddha Thavisaniya Thana Thavisaniya Thana Dabagu Dada Bamaya Me. 3. Ananda Tathagatina Nabhyashan the Anudara Nadu Mashira Damasek Bodhi Dan Lege Bi and the dear Pa Saranatha Niya Varanasi Kasi stay no? Full Monday of Asangla Wazu Lavi evening late after the sun setting down and the very beginning of the moon rising time Buddha started to turn wheel of the truth. Desa liva teya sore dhamma sek satin lera. And the Diyapa at Diyapa in Sarana Niya Varanasi. This one also one significant place for the Saddhatsa, Kulapoksattsa, no? Radhya count and Lure. This one also significant place. Last one. Idananda Tadagata Nupari Tidaya Nibbana Taduya Pranibhuta Ananda Ida Iniyama Any Ida Benya between the two Sala tree Ida at the southwest corner of the Kushi Nagara in the Sala group and the Mala state, Dilupyoruya. That would be 8 4 places of Savizania, Hovas, Dilupyoruya. Benakune 48 years. Years of at the time of 100 years, 180 years, 48 years of Buddhas. Buddha Dadhanara nearly the Shekunim. A Mala state. Near the Kushi Nagara. At the southern corners of the Sala group. Southern corners of the Kushi Nagara in Sala group. Last watch of the night, full moon day of Visakha. Fuara le Visakha, Buena le Visakha. Praneva Buddha le Visakha. Three great events are only the same day. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddha's birth. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddhas attained the enlightenment. On the full moon day of Visakha also, Buddha passed into Pranirvana. Ida ego dinaya ige yegoma. Tadagata vyasabhya kuromya dhyanupadi didaya. Khandana yung ajwe jang bashidabhya. Nibbana Taduya Nibbana Tabi Pranibhuta Pranivasanga Vidaka Ananda Idi Ido Tata Tatra Daya Kaundo Kula Bodhata Yaujamima Bedumasu Dathaniya Thoya Biro Bhumyo Jamelo Soloshino Dathaniya Mabya Mabya Thoya Puja Vesoye Tawesaniya Kudu Diyari Dubwasinene Dana Dakubedi Nawesaniya, so the book of Fuenli Shi. In a birthplace of the Lord Buddha, the Lumbini garden, between the two cities, Kapilavastu and Dewara. Nowadays, within the Rupandehi district and modern Nepal. Rupandehi district and modern Nepal. This is a birthplace. And a second, Sakyamuni Gautama Buddha attained the supreme enlightenment, became the Buddha, under the Bodhi tree, on the bank of river Nidinjara, within the Uruveda forest near the Gaya. This is the second significant place. And third one. Yapi Benala Achara. The message of precisely 2 months after the enlightenment, Tiri Jaya. Precisely 2 months after Buddha's enlightenment, Tiri Jaya, Nala Tiri, sorry. Tabijara Janavaya Bilo, Nala Tiri Jaya Buddha have started Sagiri to turn Lebu, the Hui Sejigu of the truth of the Dhamma. Dhamma Sejigu Lebu Sagiri at the Bigadaya Saranatha Dia Benaris Varanadiya Nina ka Saranam the message hoge Elaso Buddha Pasui and the southwest corner of Kushinagara between the twin Sala tree Mala state. These are the 4 great significant places, unforgettable places. Agavedandika Ananda Tada Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Ananda Chitta Ananda Tada Tada Shija Guna Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Yaha Yahama Dagadagama Bridali Mudodi Agavedandi Lajalame Ida Dagaraza no dibi dinia Buyamurinia Ida Dagarano Radamamo Ribitamo no dibi Dinia Buyapidenia Ida Dagarina no Radamasaka Bodi Dandi Dinia Devase Lerenia Ida Dagaranu Baridaya Nivana Dadu Yabrini Buddha Dinia Mesabia Karanayo Jimshi Brini Wasane Nian Lo Bhikkhu Bhikkhuniya Upadaka Upadika Brida Livadu Yagamidandi Lajale Me Yei Gehisi Ananda Sindiya Sadikan Ahe Danda Padana Seda Kalangredandi Yei Gehisi Bhadube Maso Sindiya Sarikan Zenidorego Pumyo Boyan Lele Biro Ahidanda Sindiya Sarikan Ahidanda Zenidorego Pumyo Boyan Lele Biro Padana Seda Jinyo no Sine Mya Kala Garedan Di Deja Mesoye Dedabe Any Tawariya Lidana Gojino La Sina Dire Buguri Gayata Bira Kanago Piazijinga Paramarana Devi Manakalana Dugate Lugong Dugonu Toya Pita Teka Ayama Pietano Mimiade Logan Nabi Chota Bawa Sando Uba Bezetan Di Yajaya Begole Melo Bagawa Piazini Ananda Awasa Stood down with me, Leva, no. We don't, Chinusia County, you look for the county, the Balidi. A Yachapu Wamaka. De Idananda, the Dagadosa, Dodi, Bita, Kula, Bodanda, Dathaniya Tavesaniya Dhana Ne Ida Dada Gadana Grandama Bodhi Abhidha Mudodi Ananda Badada Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavesaniya Dhana Bo Ida Dada Gadana Ida Dada Gadana Dada Gadana Modo Mother Dada Gadana Ovega Kriya Labu Kepa Dada Gadina Anudara Damasaka Bodhi Dandi Ananda Tadata Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavesaniya Dhana Ida Dada Gadanu Bari Dedaya Devana Dadiya Prini Buddhodi Ananda Tadata Kula Buddha Dathaniya Tavesaniya Dhana Tavesaniya Lidhana Puja Alili Paya Poya Seleya Saya Ilimi Lingari Barita Satari Era Tavesaniya Lidhana Ejeme Pilonjo Pue Nya Jaka Udida Yadao Tondaga Ejido Ejem Piu Napido Echa Da Pio Venerable paragraph 202, page 271. In time past, don't immediate Chidunga, who had ended their residence period of the reign. One shot a chain, one cup below piece on a chain. In different places, near the Mawakalu, watch your period a chain. Used to come Lanija, used to see Punija, used to pay Dabdu Babyojan, the Lupapo. Used to come, used to see, used to pay respect to the Buddha, Babir. Lanija, Punija, Paya, Ushikunija, Ayudi Pinija. We used to get the video Lulebe, Quayeri, Yanija, Quayeri, Yita, privilege, privilege, Quayeri. No. Comprende, Kana. I'm very happy. I take the honor. I take so proud. Take to have this privilege to deliver the sermon, to deliver speech in this great Getharan in Tirigu University, Baba, the Lodi Project. Privilege, no? And I got special right, special chance. Privilege of the sea and Pumi and Gwen. And I got used to get Yani Jabe and honor him. Everybody go Gompu when Ayudi big when go live Babila, Yani privilege of the honoring those inspiring people. Gone, no? Mano Bhavaniya Sura Bogu, Badabyana, inspire. Siku swear sound name Madiji, hola. Pulaya and Downdy Mondi, the Saviors Yakone Kurodi Mo. Inspiring Mahatira coming from different places when they finish their rainy retreat, you know. Wacholo, Payabula Reka, Yanama, Shianana, Puguya. Privilege of a saying, privilege of honoring those who inspire and beg. But Guru, when he wakes up, after the Buddhas pass away, Buddha will be there now, we shall not get this privilege of the saying, privilege of the honoring to the inspiring monk. Sithe Chinuzia Gaudi, Nimateji, Paya Pranima Samiri now, Pugwe, Mayara, Pugwe, Mayara, we lost the chance to pay respect, to ask the Dhamma question, to listen the Dhamma. Myayibe, Dharma Enaripa. Everybody Danga Baya, Tiana, but they go Mosa, we lost this privilege. So we pay Shiananda shop. Now it's real liver. Ananda Bahio Ananda Awasaka Mabao Te. Don't say like this, my dear brother Ananda, Mendil over beyond. Namashi me. Oja got in the Aniligu giant. There are 4 places near Legushi which should be visited, which should be seen. By any person of the devotion, there are which will cause the awareness, the deep apprehension, cause awareness and apprehension, the deep feeling of the nature of impermanence. Daliteta, Goma. Anesa, Tenkara, Sopido, the deep Pinning and Nia. Legushire, what are these for? Every Leguara. One Nabaglidi Data. This Lovini play. The Lovini Uyin. Where the Dadagada was born. Dimapo Wadu Payamwita Ananda. This is a place near Daku which shall be visited and seen, living and cheating as Surendaya. By any passengers of a devotion, the Radiashi and Ludia on the Toya Chishu then which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of environment. Anesha Sure, the deep Naviga Nea, do was in Nea, Te Lovini. The Mahabodhi. Mahabodhi Sure Niyataku is where the Dadagada attained. Yaswamaya Yagi unsurpassed Anuttara Adubashiro, supreme enlightenment, a mere soul more Tavinida Nyango Yagiri, Mahabodhi Shirali, Ananda. This also at the Mahabodhi level is a place near the Kubokwa which shall be visited and seen. Dwaya Lepapu Chibu Kone Niyatakupo. By a person's of devotion, there are the Kone Ludia Atwe, which would cause awareness and apprehension. But we got the idea to my killing, but the nature of impermanence, a nature, then Kara, so that we got the idea to killing. 3. Migadaya Wana. Migadaya Wana. Her place is where the Dadagada sit Bevasa. Sit wheel of the truth rolling, set rolling, sled. Ansamba Anubashi, the wheel of the truth. This Seki sled Niyapopa expounded in a Nale of Joino, Fasil Samo, Tamazo Diahore Niya, Dhamajega Bodhana Discourse. Another, this also is a place, Nalaniya Dakubo, which shall be visited and seen. Why then a person of the devotion, Randiagon and Ludia Boya Jishu then Bumio then Surenia, and which any Niagali would cause. Menada Puyin killing awareness and apprehension of the nature of empowerment, but we got the other killing. 4. This Kushidagara place which where the Dadagara pass into ultimate peace. Pradeva now shown a tremor, shown in Nia. Anupadi Sisa Neba. Which is complete cessation of the all Kanda. Kanda alone to German Chunine Nia. This also is a place, Nalani which should be visited and seen by any person of the devotion, and which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of impermanence, Anisha, Ananda. Ananda. These are the 4 places that Mamigon and Yaligu, which should be visited and seen, Dwadin and Chidin and Yaligu, for a person of the devotion. By 4 parts of the world, for a person of the devotion. There are there got a Lutia attract which will cause awareness of the appreciation of the nature of environment. But we got the other visiting and the Ligu and Ananda. They will come to see these places. Anandai, Eddie Aliva with Wachibe, Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, Upasika, Upasika, Leah. Preda Liva, the Baba Wachija Mesolushi. Tradiane, with the devotion in their heart. Melodarema, the Radiane, the Wachija Mesolushi. Here. The Maha body, here the Lumini, that was born. Yes, of Yabuba and Lumini, here at the Maha body, Tadagara attain supreme enlightenment. Here, at the Migadaya, Tadagara grace, Tadagara set and passes a wheel of the truth rolling. The message let it near all. Here, Kushinara, Tadagara Pasui, Piyabrini Bansane Neya. Erinia Legu Goma Solution, all these who are one in pilgrimage to those shrine. Shrine of Bebogala. City Yani. Any city go Pumia Boyanda. Pilgrimage. Payabumia Goja Meslosi. If they should die with a devotion in their heart, during the course of the pilgrimage, Lepayan, Payabu Lepayan, Troya Nelonare, Madaradiane, Droria, should die. They jam as Roshi, should die now, what time again? They jam as Roshi. Will after they are dead, will never send it, will be good side. After they are dead, after they are dissolution of the body, will be reborn. In a good destination. The fortunate celestial ring. Allah can count it, Nadoye Bomoa, Trupian Muja. They can know the Upa Bizek Nandi. No? They are in the home of Adiligu Jetta, now as near Liva. We don't go with any of it, I hope you're shop your or even ye jump your. Meet our own jump your. Kushinagara jump your. Lobini, Gani, and now boy. Kilometer those I love. No? Kabila wants to yet. I think Kabila wants to and they meet up. Go say Mila kilometer dollar. Nikrora, Nijora, yap. I did Nijora, no? Dine Dishira, ye I need to cool it. Yeah, you never carry up. Yeah, cheated. Yeah, never hope another city beauty, a net. And the good account. There be ye and the Hangani. Gamerago, find out with a time shot. Daily lane dollar, double yellow time shot. Bokara Waka Muwa in the Ave, Bo, Sekua, gone. Nijora, my Bokara Waka Muwa, Paya Bodo, horror. Any day I eat up, hold up, Sekua, Bokara Waka Muwa, Yiri, Boa, Daikali, Fair, in a little. Kimberley Chow. The Kalamada O Yaula Vida. Over Kani. Chari Vari Fabi Grua. Chapdo Yibo. Pshan. Yai, a wusho. Kalamasani Shora, Twido. Oh. That was an Iasura, Dale. Anesa, the Badenkara. Buddha Badawi Lui, a Tomiat Nia Buddha Badawi Mahode Buguri, a Dredo, Alagani Apilla, and Yiji son in the Apilla. No, wish you. But the Mazo, a cup water what Timai, Hoodie. The Mawarido, Guna Warido, Nalabu. I think I did 12. Sounding Galateri, Te Amu, Buddhi. And a Galati Biobi, Buddhi Dapur. Yeah. Nobody other. And a Buddha say that the chesa. Camilo Murema, Manglaman, sorry. The guy is a ponate town. The Maori do any aim will be so sad. Do a video about a conflict. Manglaman, the media, sorry, dinner, did not accompany me. Gee, Bariland. Nana, Gabia. Do a Nadoda. Do a Nana. Bengalama aim on Nakoya. Do the Ako Yauda. And in the media, they have carried very yabi, very young woman, they point and point to it. Now, according to our bomb, the area of Mammy, the good dish. But where she said, Nick and I do what I Guy, I was really a people. The look join I was in here, thought people. Shanada big one. Katamaya Mandi Madugame Badibizama Madugamari Pia Pelulule Pelum Adadana Ananda Machine. Don't see, don't look at them in detail. The days of the Banyana, Anubiazana Sabe, Napu, Miako, Mielo, Nakon, Nakan, Maisie, Edilu Shauchida, Anubiazana called it. Adadana, Elu Bachijan. Tathani Bhagavan. The day can have the busy dama. Many a belly, Shalubaya de la Analapo Ananda. Don't say anything with them. The road is Kapama Mabio. Mabiolo Baby, I think you know. Alabandi Nabandi. Kadambadi busy dama. Maleda Mishama, Pionia, Belulumale. Badi Ananda Ubadhabi Dama, Britaro. Era. Era Bema Kisha, the locally pure soup people. Now, the Rina Pusa Kesa. Shianana made Shanana make on a wedding. The Damayan Bandi, the Dagarata, the Riri, Padi Bezama Yaswa Piayi, Piayi, Yukalata, what the video to Bulu Ah, Yavada, Dome, Ananda, Hota, Tadagadada, the Rira, Puzaya. Nabia, you Kalaji Puzo, Meno Chaucha, Masani. Ha, Dilu Badara, Meno Bada. Chaucha Masani. Ega Dome Ananda Naradi Gadata Naradi Anu Yolata Naradi Joshi Lodi Go Gadata Adoja Golo Darade Joshi Melodego, Anu Yolada, Chege Mama Ado Jago, Abamada Mame Malayo, Ada Bino Pietan Oriane, Bahida Dani was said that he looked at me, we had done the Yago. Payada Marali, Ega Dome Ananda Darati Gadata, Anu Yolada Darati. Abamada Adabino Bidada Wirada Joshi Dari Luchakwa Tatikon Yogala Doji Velo Loble Meno Jauja Masane Joshi de Lobino Locha No Nare Dia Chek Tibia Makwa Kone de Paisan Puni Biambwe Hoyane diwa dawone kwe manai manini pit. Ha yediga thok yaniga pit. Ponye longi legong tha yan pit ye thok pe yai. Maimari dembiro anaga ngujene cha kai paketi lue. Palong le tarata mogu. Anitara mashi. Era mlone. Bandananda Khadiya Bandita Binyanya Shire Mini Biamada Bandita Binyanya Shire Bonari Gahabadi Bandita Binyanya Shire Katiri Many Bonari the Tiri Binyanya Chiche Barekwa Durudi Nyashi Bare Dantagadi Bibana, Durore Biago, they Gino Yare Qua. De Eri, Many, Ognari, Kateri, Dada Gadaba, Darida, Busan, Kretandi, Pia Yokalago, Duru Buzole Mequa, Menodani, Pia Damara, no, the Ripuja, no, and a chair, twina, Bloja. Tirigosro Te, Toya de Majadina, Povana, Qualaji, Kaya, the Pakini, Bisho, needed the Chava, Baponi, and one of Malone, how to get go. Alaga. Diva Bayamano, the Tarata Ho. Ba. A nimshi. And a member of the Riga Buzo Mesoye. Puzo Lanyan Jackley Big Bao Katambana Bandi Dandagadata, the Riri, but he busy Dabam. I remember another tea. Belulu Male, Dandagadata, the Riri Katam, but he busy Dabam, the Loche Ananda. Yata Renya Segavadi Dandari Padi Bezandi Belule Secha Wadi Mini Yukalago Logalo Lucha Dama Ewan Dandagarada Dari Padi Bizi Dama Eri Diamond Secha Me Yukala Lode Diamond Yasa Pia Yukalago Lucha Kadabara Bandi Renyo Segavadi Dandari Padi Bezandi Seja Mini Kanago Belulucha the Lepaya Udeda Muva, no? Seja may Chogin Picker and New Hall. Anima Mado Pado Baby Chaja. Renyo Ananda Segavadi Dandari Ananda Seja Mini Kanago Ahadina Atipito Wote na Awope Wetendi Yichago Pajago Pichu Athene Adina Samachi Shogo Mishiwa Corine Pichu Ne Shiuza Pa Adina Wadina within the one. I was then a papire kama. ဒီကြတော့ဝိဟတိနာဖြစ်သွားတယ်ဝိတိနာရဲ့နောက်ကဘာပုတ်ရှိကပ္ပါဒဝါကောဝိတိနာကအချိန်ချင်းထက်ထဖတ်ထားတော့ဝါကောကြတော့နူးနေအောင်အချိန်ချင်းပါလို့လည်းဖတ်အချိန်ချင်းဖတ်မှဖတ်ထားတဲ့ဝါကောနဲ့ပလိုက်ပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကောတထဟုတ်ပြီပိတ်ကစီမစုပ်ဘူးဝါကောကစီစုပ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ပိတ်နဲ့ပတ်ပြီးဝါကောနဲ့ပါပြီးတော့စီရီထည့်ပြီးတော့ရှုပ်ပါဦးဒီတိုင်းလာမယ်ဝေဒေနာကပ္ပဒေနာဝေဒေနောအာဒေနာဝဋ္ဌေနာဝေထင်တိအဲ့တော့ဝါကောပတ်ပြီးရင်ဘာနဲ့ထပ်ပါမလဲပိတ်နဲ့ထပ်ပါပိတ်ပတ်ထပ်ပြီးရင်ဘာပတ်မလဲဝါကောနဲ့ပတ်ဝါကောပေါ်မှာပါတယ်ပိတ်ပေါ်မှာဝါကောအဲ့ဒါတွေရှောက်ဖန်နေရှိကြီးပဲဧတေနဥပါယေနဤနိတံပိစဟိယုကတတေဟာ900အစုံလိုက်900ဝါကောနဲ့ပိတ်အစုံဘလောက်ဟမ်နေဘူးထထပတ်တာမေးရှုဖို့ဆက်ကြမင်းသိအဲ့လိုလုပ်ပြေဆိုင်ယုဂတရေအစုံ900တို့ပြရိညောစက္ကုတဲ့ပရိနာဝိထစ်တော်ဆက်ကြမင်းခန္ဓာကိုယ်ကိုအဲ့လိုပတ်ပြီးတော့ဘယ်ထက်တဲ့ပါဠိဖတ်အာယတာယဘာနဲ့လောက်တာအယဆိုတော့ဘာအယပါဠိပုဂ္ဂသံဟောတာဒါမဲ့ဒီနေရာမှာရွှေလို့ပြောအယတာယအဲ့တော့တက္ကရာကဖွင့်ပြီးသားပါသုဝနာမယေနလို့ဖွင့်ရွှေဖြစ်ပြီးတော့တေလဒေါနိယာစီအပြည့်ထည့်ထားတယ်ဘာကြီးလဲဒေါနိစကြင်းကြီးလှေကြီးလို့ပဲဟုတ်လားရွှေနဲ့လောက်ထားတဲ့လှေကြီးထဲမှာစီဒီအပြည့်ထည့်ဝါကွန်တထ sorry ပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကွန်တထပိတ်ဖြူတထဝါကွန်တထအဲ့လိုအစုံ900ပတ်ထားတဲ့ကိုတော်ကြီးကိုလှေထဲမှာစီအပြည့်ထည့်ပြီးတော့အဲ့ထဲမြုပ်လာဒေလတတိယပကိပိတဝါအင်္ဂိတာအယတာယဒေါနိယပတိကုစိတ်တဝါအဘဝတစ်ခုမှနှစ်ချမ်းအောက်ကတစ်ချမ်းထဲမှာစီပြည့်ထည့်ပြီးတော့ပိတ်နဲ့ဝါကောင်းအထ900ပတ်ထတဲ့ယုတ်ကလကြီးကိုစီပြည့်ထည့်တဲ့လှေကြီးတွေထည့်အဘောကလှေကြီးတစ်ခုနဲ့မှောက်သဗ္ဗဂန္ဓာနံစိတကံကရိတဝါနတ်သာထင်းနေအများကြီးပုံစိတကံကရိတဝါမိဘုံကြီးပုံပြီးတော့ရေညောစကဝတိတသရိရံဇာပင်တိဆက်ကြမင်းကြီးရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုဒီလိုမြင်းသိကြကြတယ်ကွာကဲဖတ်ဆန်းတော့တကြောင်တော်ပြီသာတုမာပတိရေညောစကဝတိတထူပံကရတိဆက်ကြမင်းကြီးရဲ့အယိုးတွေဓာတုရောအယိုးပေါ်ပါဘယ်မှာဇီရီတဲ့သာတုမာပတိပြောလမ်းလေးစုံမှာလမ်းလေးကစုံတဲ့နေရာမှာထူပံကရတိဘာလဲထူပံတွေ့လား ဒီဝိပဿနာအကယ်ဒမီမှာထူပါနှစ်ခုရှိတယ်လေဒီဘက်မှာထူပါတစ်ခုဟိုဘက်မှာထူပါတစ်ခုထူပါဆိုတာဓမင်းဥပေါင်းပဲမောက်မောက်ကလေးတွေဆက်ကြဝတ္တိမင်းရဲ့ဆက်ကဝတ္တိမင်းရဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုလမ်းလေးစုံမှာထူပါတဲတယ်ဇေဒီတဲတယ်ပြီးတော့မှပြောယထာခောအာနန္ဒရေညဆက်ကဝတ္တိနာသရိတိပฏิပိသန္တိအာနန္ဒယေဆက်ကြမင်းရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုလူတွေပူဇော်ကြတယ်လို့ပေါ့ကွာတတ္တကရတသရိတိပฏิပိစိတပံငါဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုလည်းပဲအေဝံပฏิပိစိတပံအဲ့ဒီတိုင်းလောက်ကြနောက်တစ်ပိုက်သာဓုမာပတိတတ္တကရတသူဘောကတဘောဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလတော်ကကျွဲတဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုဘယ်မှာစီရီတဲမလဲလမ်းလေးကတရားပဲပြောသွားတာအခုတော့တိုးတဲ့တောင်နဲ့အကုန်ရောက်ပြောလေကောင်လမ်းလေးကတဲရင်အခုကတော့လူတွေကကဲလမ်းလေဘုရားဆိုဘူးမရှိဘူးစူးလေဘုရားဆိုဘူးမရှိဘူးဘုရားမှားတာကသတ္တုမာပတိတတ္တကရတသူဘောကတဘောလေဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကကျွဲတဲ့ဓာတ်ကိုမျိုးလေကောင်ဇီရီတဲပြောထားမျိုးလေကောင်မတဲပဲနဲ့ဘယ်ရှောက်တောင်လေးပေါ်နေရရင်တို့ကဂျင်းနေတာနော်လှမ်းကြည့်အဝေးကအဲ့ဒါမာရာတွေရှိတယ်တထယေမာလံဝါဂန္တံဝါသုံးကံဝါအာရောပိတံတိဘိဝရိတံတိအဲ့ဒီမျိုးလေကောင်ကဇီရီလေးမှာယေဘသူမဆိုပေါ့မာလံဝါအာရောပိတံတိဂန္တံဝါအာရောပိတံတိသုံးကံဝါအာရောပိတံတိနော်ဘာနန္ဒရီနန္ဒမုံလေးတင်းပြီးတော့ပူဇော်ကြစိတ်တန်ဝပတာတင်းဒီစိတ်လည်းကြည်နူးကြတယ်ဒေသတံဘဝိတ္တိဒီဃာရတံဟိတာယဒုက္ခယရှင်နန္ဒမေးလို့မြတ်စွာဘုရားမှားတာဆက်ကြမင်းရဲ့ယုတ်ကလလို့ပဲလောကမဝရသေးတဲ့မဖွဲ့ရသေးတဲ့နော်အစာမရှိသေးတဲ့ပိတ်နဲ့အရင်ပကောင်းကောင်းကြီးအကျိတ်တရားတော့ဖတ်ထားတဲ့ဝါကွန်နုနုနဲ့တထပ်ပပိတ်တထဝါကွန်တထပိတ်တထဝါကွန်တထအဲ့လိုနှစ်ခုအစုံပေါင်းလို့900ပပြီးတော့စီအပြည့်ထားတဲ့ရွှေလှေကြီးတွေထက်ပြီးတော့မှပေါ်ရတဲ့ရွှေလှေကြီးတစ်ခုနဲ့အော်အလောင်းကြီးထင်းတဲ့တခါတည်းမထည့်ဘူးလုံးပုံနော်တော်တော်ကောင်းတယ်ဟုတ်လားကိုတော့အလောင်းကြီးထင်းလုံးတွေကိုတိတ်ရှို့တာကွာဒီလိုရွှေလေးတွေဘာတွေကမရှိဘူးလေရွှေလေးမရှိလေပန်းလေးနဲ့လုံးပုံပေါ့အရသာပြီးတော့မှအဲ့ဒီဓာတ်တော်တွေတဲ့အယိုးတွေကိုအကုန်လုံးစေရီတေကြမျိုးလေးကိုအဲ့ဒီနေရာမှာဒုပါရဟ4ယောက်ဆက်တော့အဲ့ဒုပါရဟနမဟောအဲ့ဒါလေးအင်္ဂလိပ်လိုပါဘယ်နည်းအာနန္ဒာ questionဟုတ်ပြီWhenever Ananda's question, 1, 2, 0, 3. Whenever sir, how should we conduct ourselves with regard to the women? May marry the below the water. Not saying then if we should and avoid even Shamaya look medalitator. The Valana said, see then Shamyalo Mia what should be our conduct? Not speaking to him, to them. If Benevesa, we shall have to speak. Shamya Lura Tuira Drube. And I shall say, what we should be our conduct. You shall establish mindfulness. The Dida, Taro, they go in. Do ya Joya, Sagamia, the Rita Joja, they go. Kama Yagina Dashami. Do you know Kama Yagamiri Laumi Pia? Nema Behi Mahawira. Era Jay on Lubiwa. Beguro. She Ananda down. Are you calling? The that of a bayan is a theatre. Bona Pugili. Wengipa Buddha said, Bhawana, she Ananda Nagani, Sonza Light, the meeting at Myaji, Mimari Pita Yava. She Ananda is a very famous attendant of the Buddha, preacher. They are winding up. Ubagani, Wagida, Chi, Ha, Tehupa. Ananda, winding up, Nana, Telmashi. And Acha, the Icha, Comadia, and Delvidia, Tomdi of Mumu. Mako legit, Belum legit, Nana legit, Nakan legit, Mizi legit, Yimba legit, Khan legit, Den legit, Yin legit, the Anubians and Alpha. Maybe I saw that the maid go Gio Bagavan, and they say, Show Gio. Eridoma, Kamaya be loud. No? So that Biana, Abia, Samjiro, Siananda, Gosha, Vido the Loudly, and I on Lobe. Ananda, Tota, no, Paja, Bayama Ship. Wingita, Tota. Venesa. How shall we act regarding the body? Hobi. Maybe I never been on Tongu where we are here, Jeremy, Mabiono. Be the body never look to Mabiono. Anyways, how shall we act below pure regarding the body? Can I go never look below? Remain. Of the Dadagana. Yashabia, my church and a Yokala, Lulu Amle. Ananda, do not worry. You are set. Doing honor to the body of the Dadagana. Now, a body, middle, Sepumine, Balupuzoya, Maleno, Sepumine. I exhort you, Amino, Piome. Apply. You are said, only applying you are said. Meno Adoncha, Lucha. Exactly you are said. Meno Adoncha, Lucha. In the essential Rocco. Essential is a Luat. Although in the case of Meno Lucha, not an excellent predicate. Although when I have been alone, striving ardently, in the without negligent, in the essential. Allo at the case of most excellent brightness, resolutely direct your mind Meno say that they go nyonta toward the attainment of the Nibbana. Nibbana yabo so bido era go be udeta yogalata meno pujamlo ananda. They are wise and noble, wise and Brahmin, noble, no? Wise and Katiya, no? Wise and Brahmin, wise and householder. Piyashi, many, Turagoni, Onani, Induri, Indari, Shire, utmost devotion to the Tathagata. Nabia will take Chinujari, utmost alone. Who will honor, who will do honor. The Lord Nabia Yabala Buzale to the body of the Tathagata. But the benefits are, what should be done to the body of the Tathagata? Payakura Balulu by the noble Brahmin, householder, and the same way. Ananda, as is done to the body of the universal monarch. The Kavala also the Baye, Sekhavari Mini Yakanago, Lodulu, Lucha. But the benefits are, what is it done to the body of the universal monarch? The Kavala also the Sekhavari Yakanago, Lodulu Chadale. Ananda, the body of the universal monarch, Sakyameya Yogala, is a red yipat and new cloak. A what then yipat? And what they got there? Made a kashi, got the time she a wood then the pot. After being red up in the Yukashi cloak, that they then over the Babide come. The body is wrapped up in carded cotton wool. Gongoni patare wagongli ne pat. After being wrapped up in the carded cotton wool, wagon chununu ne papide kama. Again, wrapped up in new kashiko. In this way, in the ambient, the body of the universal monarch is wrapped in the 500 successive layers. 500 successive layers. A tap on blood. Nayarune pade. Then, it is enclosed in a golden wine butt covered over by another golden butt. Swiftly eat my tet. Essentially eat the good above and then a fire of the all kinds of perfume wood. Is big body of the universal monarch, it's cremated and you're breathing to a stupa. I.e. monument mounted with a doom, Stupa Zoraza, monument mounted, Bobo mounted in a doom in it. Tupa Poka Nibira, Stupa Pidoraba. No? Stupa, Tupa ni Pyangwara. And in honor of the universal monarch is a bed at the junction of the full highway. Highway league with lands of Mandela. Ananda, this is what done to the body of the universal monarch. Universal monarch look for the Sajaminya Yokala Belukuzo the Resuda, Mata. Ananda, in the same way, in it time, as is the done to the body of the universal monarch, universal monarch, yes, Yokala will look the Lupo, so to need time. Should it be done, lower man, to the body of the Tathagata? That's why the body will let the Lucha, a stupa to the honor of the Tathagata. That's why the Buddha Ape, 2 part the Kugu shall be big, the Sancha, at the junction of the 4 highway. Lama Ligu Sonen Yama and a Ziri Te. At that stupa, Eri Ziri Male, people will make offering of the flower. Lure Bala Bira Buzalebe. People will make offering of incenses. Barile. Nanda Modi Buzalebe. Scanded Ponda. Incense, no more is scanded Ponda. Nanda Moni the cherry will pay homage, shake homage, will feel reverent in their mind. Say them, you the public to such a people, the Lord Ludi do it. Benefit, a Choji happiness will be Oka. Chanda Dukhari, killing for a long time. Digarada. Chinese of the Karapalo, Diluri, Chanda Dukha, Pilime. Bibi. Also, when you see the lady, how will you go like this? Closer your eye. We cannot close, so I want to see from feet to head, from head to feet in detail. This is in a mellow. Sati Upatavidaba. Be mindful. You can look with the mindfulness and comprehension. Tadi pinyane chija. Another big one like Wacha Mamadala Bill. Do I know that Mamma Shirido? We are Mamma. Katamazri at the Bibi. Yazabia Yogalaku Bululum. Samachia Dido. Mashapoya Dido. Pay pew neck, she was on the tapa. Bidaboa. Gong on you, phony or put at it. Pat at it, wagon a pat. Naku. Bear. Any little tap on. Naya nepa. See bit here at a sweetly tap. See the golo same, it will not be bala. Wagon you benetale. Naya, so the sea item of winning. Pirama Boni, the Huta out, Nanda Temple more Temido, Misho. Dame, Daradi Kitata, Daradi Wayamata, no? Joshi Dari, alone no cha. Can't shave tomorrow. Now we can't leave your level.